Welcome back, everybody. Today we have a Dodge 273 new process transfer case. Now this transfer case is going to fit all of your 3/4 ton and 1 ton pickup truck applications. Today Elena is going to tell us about some of the features and the upgrades we've done to the transfer case.
So all of the new Process 273s from Powertrain Products are going to be checked for damages during the remanufacturing process. This includes things like cracks, stripped threads, gear wear, or shaft warp. We then media blast the cases to restore the OEM-like finish, and they are then spin tested for shiftability and noise before being placed in a custom molded plastic case to prevent in-transit damages.
Now, if you'll notice, there's also a front drive shaft in front of the transfer case. Not only to keep your warranty intact, but also your truck. We asked that this front drive shaft be replaced along with the transfer case. Now, this just isn't any front drive shaft. This is completely upgraded and remanufactured, and Elena's going to tell us about the front drive shaft.
So the remanufactured front drive shafts from Powertrain Products do also have a remanufactured universal joint. Now this is important because the remanufactured style allows for the shaft to be continuously lubricated, whereas the previous design did not allow for this. It's important to have continuous lubrication because if you do not, over time the shaft will start to become loose, and in serious cases it will begin to vibrate. Now this vibration can cause the front drive shaft to actually fall out, and in catastrophic instances impale your entire drivetrain, as shown over here in Exhibits A and B.
So give us a call today and talk to one of our drivetrain geniuses to get yours at 888-842-0023.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if there's a particular case or other unit you want to see, drop it in the comments below.